of these people are lacking the funding.
So President Uhuru Kenyatta also announced an array of incentives to boost delivery of projects under the Big Four agenda. The reforms targeting food security, manufacturing, housing and healthcare are meant to cut costs and boost activity in the specific sectors. Brenda Kerubo has that report for you.
Roads to bitumen standard.
Food security got the bulk of the goodies at President Uhuru Kenyatta's State of the Nation address today afternoon. This following increased concerns over a drought that has affected counties in northern Kenya and left up to 54,000 households in dire need of food. The president says the latest measures will boost food production in the country.
Our reforms are aimed at being farmer-centric and are focused on reducing the cost of food, increasing agricultural value addition, and offering incentives for farming.
About 4,400 water pans are in the household irrigation water project are under construction. They will store up to 6 million cubic meters of water, placing an additional 6,000 acres under irrigation. The president also promised to implement findings on challenges affecting sugar and maize production. Up to 500 factories in 31 coffee-growing counties will be rehabilitated.
We have also set up a 3 billion Cherry Advance Revolving Fund to be operational from July 1, 2019. Consequently, all coffee farmers across the country will be able to access the Cherry Advance at a modest interest rate of 3%.
Affordable housing development framework guidelines have also been rolled out, clearing the way for policy and financing for the program.
Over 175,000 Kenyans have already registered under the voluntary scheme known as Boma Yangu. These Kenyans will undoubtedly be first in line for the allocation of new housing.
Universal health coverage rolled out in the pilot phase in Isiolo, Machakos, Nyeri and Kisumu will now incorporate other counties. The program has faced delays in registration because some citizens do not have identification cards and birth certificates.
The program has witnessed enhanced access to essential health services with an average increase across the pilot counties of 39% reported. We are on course for the full rollout of the universal health coverage in the year 2019-2020 in the remaining 43 counties.
The realization of the Big Four is dependent on enablers such as energy, transport, education, water, information, communication and technology. Brenda Kerubo, KTN News.